Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. I had a lot of fun playing with this Warping Point 16mm pickleball paddle. This is carbon fiber. It's about 7.8 to 8.1 ounces. Super elegant design, by the way. It is designed in Italy. I really like the grit on this thing. It creates some very nice spin. It also has great power, great pop, and very nice control because it is 16mm. I'm gonna go ahead and show you an unboxing of this and also some in-game footage so you can really get a feel of how well this thing is. So here is the box that the paddle arrives in. As you can see, super nice magnetic closure on the box. It also comes with this grip tape. And here is the special paddle. Look at that bold contrasting colors on that thing. You got the nice emblem on the bottom there. Nice breathable sticky grip and also Warping Point on the sides. Warping Point branding looks super nice. The design is just amazing on this thing. Look at those graphics there along the side. So here is some in-game footage using this paddle. As you can see, again, just looks super elegant. I was able to get very nice control over the ball. As you can see, great rallies going on here. It also has a great amount of power, but I'm able to control that power again, also create great spins if I wanted to with the grittiness on the paddle. I had a great time playing with this paddle, in particular at the line. That is where I was able to really let this paddle shine and hit the ball exactly where I wanted to hit it, and just take a look at how well I'm able to place this ball in different spots along the court. Again, this paddle is super eye-catching, very unique design. So lots of people commented saying that they like the design of it. After playing with it for just a couple days, it's the most compliments I've ever gotten on a paddle. So overall, I highly recommend this Warping Point pickleball paddle. Thanks for watching.